Okay. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. Uh, so today we'll discuss the importance of testing in software development lifecycle. Okay. Okay. What is the importance of the software testing in SDLC lifecycle process? Okay. So please let me know from your side what are the different phases in software development lifecycle? Yes. Anyone unmute and yes, Meet. Are you there, Meet? Yeah, it's not audible. Meet, roll number 45. Roll number 45. Can you tell me what are the different phases in the life cycle, SDLC? Yes. Roll number 45, Sirisha. Sirisha, can you hear me? Prasad. Okay, Meet. Meet, can you hear me? Meet. Yeah, Meet, you are not audible. Yes, Madhuri,
Yes, sir.
can you just highlight what are the phases of software development life cycle?
Yes, sir. So the first stage is planning. The second stage is analysis or requirement gathering. The third is design. The fourth is development. The fifth is testing. Sixth is integration, and seventh is maintenance.
Okay. So that are the phases. As you know, in the software development, these are the phases in the software development. That is requirement engineering, design of the software, coding or implementation, okay, and testing and maintenance. So these are the different phases of the software development. Okay. So with these phases, okay, with these phases, we'll rearrange by rearranging these phases in a different manner. We'll get a model. All the software development model is having these phases. Okay. Even agile model is also having these phases. Waterfall model is also having these phases. Okay. So in this session, we'll discuss what is the importance of the software testing. Importance of testing in software development lifecycle. Can anyone highlight what is the importance? Even though there is a testing phase, even though there is a testing phase is involved here, then why we go for like the testing in all the phases? Okay, or okay, in all the phases we go for the testing. That is one thing. Now first we will discuss what is the importance. What happens if we don't do testing? Okay. Yes. Anyone share your views on this? As we know, software testing means to detect the bugs or errors. Okay, or to check whether our software is working properly or not. Okay, by executing the code in various environments to check the examine the aspects of code, okay, whether the software is working properly or not. And there are some main thing is that when to start the testing process and when to stop the testing process. Testing is very important as we know, but just highlight what are the importance of the testing to purchase a product, to purchase any product. Okay, we will do some manual testing, or you consider your interview process only. In the interview, it means in the recruitment process. In the recruitment process, the organization will go for some stages like conduction of online test, then coding test, and taking the interview and all. So there are phases are involved. So what is the main intention of all these phases? Yes, anyone? Madhuri?
Yes, so the major objective behind this is to test the candidates they are hiring, whether or not they are suitable for the organization in which they are like appearing for the placement. So
Okay.
similarly, in the software development life cycle, also, testing is important because we need to get the demo of our product before it is actually deployed as a product to the customer, so that we can know where our system is failing and what the shortcomings of our system are.
Okay. So as you told, it is means testing is very important as we need to do the we need to go for the testing before the deployment. So what is the main purpose? What is the importance? You told it is necessary. It is necessary that we need to do the testing. But what is the main importance?
So if
As
there
we know,
while testing, if we find that our software is having any bugs or errors, then we can correct them and we can make our product
okay,
like
okay.
more
Means
suitable for the use of the customer.
okay, means we can find the errors, defects before deploying at the client side. Can you highlight what is that term? Detection of the bugs or errors. For what purpose?
So I didn't get your questions.
Uh, as you told, if we go for the testing, we can detect the bugs and all early in the early stage before deployment of the software, right?
Yes, sir.
So what happens if we detect the bugs or errors in the early stage before the deployment? What is the use of that? We can detect the bugs or the error, these defects, the software bugs, and after the deployment also. Then what is the difference before deployment and after deployment of detection of the bugs? What is the difference?
So before deployment is what a programmer or a developer of the software will recognize. After once you deploy, there will be it will be a sort of complaint which you receive from your customer that your software is not working in so and so conditions. So
Okay,
in order to meet the requirements of the customer better and provide better experience of our software, so we do testing and like debugging before deployment.
okay. Means better response, means to improve the quality of the software and to maintain the reputation of the organization. Once if the client is using the software and if there is some errors defect arises, so client they will blame on the organization. So it affects the reputation of the company, and also cost overruns, cost of the because again the organization has to work on the pro software, so the cost of the budget will increase. Okay. So there are so many like issues are there. We'll discuss that. Okay. So these are the some phases as you already know. So in software development life cycle, that is requirement gathering, analysis, system design, development, testing, and operation and maintenance. Okay. So here the main thing is we are focusing on the testing. What is the importance of the testing in the testing? So as Madhuri told, its main intention is to identify the bugs or errors. Okay. So the main is that whether your application is working properly or not. So that is our main intention. The main importance of testing is to find the bugs or defects in the software. Okay, so that's why in your recruitment process also they will find some not we can bugs means like the unsuitable candidate. Okay, they can filter out. They can, as you can see the result status like selection or rejection. Okay, selection or rejection. Rejection means like a bug or errors in the application. Okay, they means they mainly focus on the quality candidates. Okay, so identification of the bugs and defects. So that is a software testing process. In the recruitment, it is a hiring process. So okay, with various stages. As in software testing, we go for like different testing, like unit testing, integration testing, system testing. Various phases are there: verification, validation, and all. The software. Okay, in the same way, for the recruitment process also there are various stages are there. In each stage, they will filter, they will remove the bugs. Okay, and at the final, we'll get a quality product. So this is the one main importance. And second is information to the stakeholders and reputation of the company. This is very important. The because see, as you know, like engineering colleges, as you know, like IITs, NITs, and all. If you compare with the tier 3 colleges, what happens? There is a difference in the placement in terms of package, in terms of quality students. Okay, because IIT and NIT where the quality students they join the colleges. Okay, by with the preparation of JE advance and all. So quality students they will get admission and they get a with a high package the placement and job also. Okay. So that is about the reputation. Okay, so means even the the one who are recruiting the students from the IITs and IITs, the company also they expect something like the quality things from the students also, and they work like the organization. They are paying and suppose if they are paying means they are expecting also something from the candidate. Okay, and it will be like there is a matching. If they are paying 5 lakh rupees per annum means the work or the expectation from the student is also at the same level. If they are paying 30 lakh per annum to the candidate and they are expecting that much as per the package they are paying. Okay, and they need to work. They are brilliant students. They have some the their if you compare with the tier 3 colleges and NITs and IITs. Okay, there is a difference is there. The in the way they have the self learning skills, they have some innovative skills. So the reputation is very important, reputation of the organization. Suppose if they hired some candidate from the NITs, IITs, and if they are not working properly in the company, in organization, then the reputation will go. Okay, even in the software testing, what happens? If the software is deployed at the client side, and if the software is not working, So client they blame on the organization. So organization means the developer and the tester, all these come. Okay. So the organization they won't get any other projects next time. So the reputation is very important, and improvement in the quality product quality. It is also very important. The testing is the main importance of software testing is to improve the product quality, improvement in the product quality. The main intention of software testing, okay, with various software testing phases. Then technical importance, okay, is very important for the technical aspects that it come out with the best technically sound applications. And to go ahead of any competitive developer with by using different testing tools and methods. Okay, keep away any hazards. Hazards means any defects or any problems. Okay, improved quality, verification and validation. Okay, these are all the very important role of the testing in the software development lifecycle. See, these are the very important quality factors. Okay, suppose if anyone asks what is the importance of software testing, means you have to use some the words like to improve the efficiency, to improve the performance of the software. Okay, these are some quality factors like to check the correctness of the software, whether all the features are working properly. Username means the registered user and password only they can access the login. Okay, so that is the correctness. Then reliability, your software it should be work reliably in any platform. So reliability, so these are all some quality factors. So you can achieve all these things with software testing. Okay, efficiency, integrity, flexibility. Okay, so these are the different the phases, different phases as you know in SDLC, as you know all these the phases: requirement, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. In software testing life cycle, okay, the different phases like system study. Okay, means you need to understand what is the software. Okay, system study, then test planning. Okay, you need to prepare for the testing. You need to make a you need to prepare a plan for the testing. Then writing the test case or script, okay, based upon the functionality. You need to write a script. Then review the test cases, execute the test cases, and bug tracking, and report the defect. So these are the different phases of the software testing life cycle. Okay, you should not say, you should have the difference. Software testing methods are different. Software testing cycle and the phases are different. Okay, so in software testing life cycle, we'll understand, we'll make a plan how to do the testing, test planning, then write the test cases based upon the functionality, both functionality testing and non-functional testing test cases. Review the test case, execute the test case. I think even in through Internshala and all, even few students also like they they get some internships on such software testing role. Means what they do, like instead of hiring some professional, the organizations they hire any intern, and the they will provide some task to check the web pages, like for example login page or home page, okay, or any button or any form, whether the form and all any whether these working properly or not. Okay, so in Internshala or any online platform, you try to even the freelancing and all, you can apply. You can search for this type of work, software testing. Okay, but you need to manage a documentation here. You need to work with a document by tracking all the test cases, which test cases are passed, failed, and all. Tracking is very important. Okay, so just keep in mind the testing is very important, and the main importance of software testing. Okay, to identify the bugs or defects, to improve the quality of the software, to improve and to maintain the reputation of the organization. Okay, improve the quality, reliability. Okay, and to avoid any hazard problems. Okay, improve the quality, verification, validation. So these are all some the important factors. That's why we go for the testing. Okay.